Hello guys, welcome back to another Q&A session. So this is the 24th Q&A session of Sunday. As always, we created the community post and this time we got around 23 questions. I'll try to answer all the questions in this video. And if you guys are new on this channel, then on every Wednesday, I create a community post for you guys so that if you guys have any kind of questions, you can ask us over there. And by the way, if you guys like our work and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now, without wasting any more time, and let's take all your questions. So the first question is from Zaman, who is asking about camera and performance, which is better, OnePlus Nord 3 or OnePlus 9. See, OnePlus 9 is pretty outdated device, and for camera it doesn't even have the iOS support, but picture quality is even Nord 3 does a great job. And when we talk about performance, you might see better performance on Nord 3 because that's clocked at 3.0 GHz if I'm not wrong. So I would suggest you to go with OnePlus Nord 3 instead of OnePlus 9. The next question is from Mahi, who is asking about the stable release of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 9. So OnePlus 9 series, as far as I know, they'll be getting in the month of Jan. I mean the stable Oxygen OS 14 update. Then the next question is from Max Alliance, who is asking about Trinity engine. Does this help in gaming by increasing the performance and stability? So when I talk about the gaming part, overall I did notice after updating Oxygen OS 14, I mostly play Bgmi and I have noticed slight improvements in the performance part. And if you're asking like explain Trinity engine, basically Trinity engine optimize the hardware performance and things like hyper boost, multi-touch, etc. You can find the entire explanation on OnePlus forum. I'll leave that link in the description below. Then we have next question from Animesh, who is asking about the lock screen customization, as OnePlus did a survey recently. Do you think they will add customizations finally? And if yes, when can we expect them, as a stable release don't have anything? Also, do you think lock screen customization, will it be like HyperOS or will it be related to wallpaper, carousel, or just Google stock ones? See, as far as I know, we might get to see lock screen customization what we are recently seeing on HyperOS, which is kind of similar to iOS. Mostly that might come with OnePlus 12. We just have to wait and watch because we don't have exact information about it. Then the next question is from Mazhar, who is asking about the stable release of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 9 series. Mostly, as I said, it will be released in the month of Jan, and lock screen customization don't expect now. And about 4K 60 FPS video recording, yes, we still get to see some jitters while recording 4K at 60 FPS even on beta builds of Oxygen OS 14. The next question is from Animesh, who is asking about no AI cutout features on Oxygen OS 14 beta 2 for OnePlus 9R. Do you think they will add in stable release? Yes, every device which will get Oxygen OS 14, they will have these features like AI cutout and other features which I have mentioned. So do not worry about that. Even OnePlus 9R will get those features. Then Tanzim says, sir, please make a video on custom ROM installation reverting back to stock OS for custom ROMs in OnePlus 11. So I am waiting for another build of OnePlus 11 which is about to release. It's already released in China. So once that is done, after reviewing that build, I'll start covering custom ROMs also for OnePlus 11 and other OnePlus smartphones. Then Anubhav says, my OnePlus 11R is dropping a lot of battery after November security patch. Daytime SOT is okay, but overnight battery drain is like 18 to 20%. I don't know why it is happening. I checked the battery usage and stuff and I can't really see anything serious over there. Still on Android 13, should I go to get the phone checked by service center or wait for Android 14? See, on November builds, even on my OnePlus Open and OnePlus 11, battery backup is too bad. I don't know how they have optimized. A lot of users are complaining about the battery backup on November builds. So wait for another update. Hopefully OnePlus will fix this issue. Then Mohammed says, OnePlus Buds Pro battery draining very fast after last update, even though it lasts only 15 minutes. See, 15 minutes if your OnePlus Buds Pro is lasting, then there's obviously an issue with the battery. If it is in warranty, you can get it replaced from OnePlus service center, but if it's not in warranty, then we don't have any way to fix that battery drain. Then Mr. Scott Gamer says, there is no 90 FPS support for OnePlus 10T. I have been waiting for solution since 1 month. See, 90 FPS, if it is available in Bgmi itself, then it's an issue with OnePlus. OnePlus needs to enable that. But if the option is not available in Bgmi, then Bgmi needs to add that particular device in the 90 FPS supported device list. Then Animesh have a question, what's the roadmap for stable release of Oxygen OS 14 for OnePlus devices? See, most of the devices like OnePlus 10 Pro, OnePlus 11R, OnePlus 11, these devices have already got the stable build. Now left is OnePlus 9 series and OnePlus 8 series. So mostly by March, OnePlus will complete the entire rollout of Oxygen OS 14 for OnePlus smartphones, starting from OnePlus 8T up to their latest release. Then Pramod says, how to improve SOT on OnePlus devices running on Oxygen OS 13 and OxygenOS 14, please pick this question. See, there is no specific way to improve the screen on time or battery backup because these things depends on tons of factors like your network strength, the way you use your device, the applications you used, and many more. To slightly increase the battery backup, what you can do, decrease the brightness of your device, don't use auto brightness. After that, change the screen off time to minimum, which is 15 seconds, lower the resolution, optimize all the apps and turn off sync in the background. This way you can improve your battery backup slightly, but don't expect much of improvements. Then Legend says, sir, when Nothing officially released Android 14 on Nothing Phone 2, I face picture-in-picture mode problem on WhatsApp call on my stable 2.0.4. See, Nothing have already released I think 2 beta builds of Nothing OS 2.5 and both the builds are quite stable. You can anytime install that, but if you wish to wait for stable build, that might take some time. We don't have exact date when Nothing will release the stable Nothing OS 2.5. Then Aryan says, sir, my friend have Oppo Reno 6 Pro 12GB 256 variant on ColorOS 13. It is very laggy and slow. Why? Please tell me how to fix it and can get ColorOS 14. See, I'm not sure about the ColorOS 14 release for Oppo devices, but if you are talking about if your device is too much laggy, then for once go to recovery and perform a factory reset because it's a decent phone and should give good performance. Then another user have a question, OnePlus 12 seems to be a huge upgrade over the camera from OnePlus 11. What do you think will be the base Indian pricing? Also the launch date. See, the device is launching in the month of Jan and base variant I'm expecting between 55 to 65k. Then Uzair says, please try Bgmi after OxygenOS 14. Have you felt smoothness? See, I haven't played Bgmi much after a stable release of OxygenOS 14, but I'll be doing a dedicated gaming test. Mostly I'll be releasing that video on Monday. I mean tomorrow. Then Naga says, can we remove 2 big size option present in notification bar and resize it in circular shape like OxygenOS 12 or 11? See, no, you cannot do that on OxygenOS 13 or 14. Then Kuldeep says, I am OnePlus Nord 3 user. I want to know about the changes you experience using OxygenOS 14 in battery and camera department as compared to OxygenOS 13.1. You have also concluded in many of your videos that it has become much smoother now, but I want to know, do you think that this upgrade was needed or that it has brought some valuable things on the table? See, OxygenOS 14 have got a lot of new features and which are very useful. But when you talk about camera performance, I personally did not notice any kind of improvements compared to OxygenOS 13.1. You consider any phone, even if I consider OnePlus 11. So in that case, I personally did not see any kind of improvements. The camera clarity remains same. They have just revamped the UI. And right now with November builds, battery backup is quite bad on OxygenOS 14. It's not only OxygenOS 14, the devices which received November security patch update, like if they are running 13.1, even they have a lot of battery drain issues. Then Common Man says, BGMI update के बाद OnePlus 8 पे 90 FPS दिखा रहा है लेकिन 60 FPS क्यों दे रहा है? See, 90 FPS दिखा रहा है, that means क्राफ्टन ने डिवाइस को उस लिस्ट में ऐड कर दिया है 90 FPS सपोर्ट के, बट यहाँ पे OnePlus को ऑप्टिमाइज करना पड़ेगा उनका डिवाइस 90 FPS के लिए. Then the last question is from Shivam, who is asking Galaxy S24 Ultra versus OnePlus 12. See, right now both the devices are not in market. Like OnePlus 12 have released, but it's not available in India. Main focus is stable software experience and best battery backup. If I compare my OnePlus 11 with S23 Ultra, so both used to give similar SOT. So battery backup was good on both the phones. Now let's wait and watch what Samsung will bring with S24 on the table. But always remember the pricing gap between S24 Ultra and OnePlus 12. So guys, these were all the questions which you guys asked us on community post, and if I have missed out anything, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.